really spend a little bit of time learning. And one of the best ways to learn is ask AI to help you learn the AI. You can ask ChatGPT, tell me 5 things that you can do for me that would be a good place for me to start so I have a great experience with you. And watch what it tells you and then follow along with what it's telling you that it wants. Anytime that you can upload information to it to help it in your profile, give it writing samples. If you take 10 emails that you've written or 3 letters that you've written, anything that is in your writing style, anything that is in your voice, upload it so that it learns it and tell it, hey, here's 5 writing samples I want you to learn from for my writing style. Tell it about your job. Have natural language conversation with it. Tell ChatGPT, ask me questions about my job and my work so you have a better understanding of what I do and can help me. And as it goes through the process, tell it all those things, what you do, the market you work in, who your typical audience is, who you serve, how long you've been in the business. Tell it what your typical GCI is. All of this information is incredibly important. And again, the reason is because the more information you give it, the better the platform is going to be to support you in the work that you do. That's a core starting point. And when you don't know what to do, ask it. It's really good at giving you back level information.